Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ramen green, full guide. Start by blanching 3 cups of spinach until wilted, then plunge into ice water to preserve color and stop cooking. Squeeze excess water and blend the greens with 2 tablespoons of hot water into a smooth paste. Mix the paste into warm broth slowly while tasting, then adjust salt and acidity for balance. This method keeps the broth vivid and fresh tasting. For a vibrant green broth, heat your stock on low to medium so pigments stay bright and chlorophyll does not degrade. Whisk in the blended green paste in small increments so it disperses evenly and creates a silky, emulsified soup. Taste as you go and add a measured 1 teaspoon of lemon juice or rice vinegar to lift the flavors and prevent flatness. This keeps color and taste lively for each bowl served. If you're enjoying this green ramen guide, please subscribe and like so I can keep sharing tasty tips and tricks. Quick recommendation. Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice as a fun, fresh companion when you drive to markets or farmers' stands. It pairs surprisingly well with cooking runs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Layer toppings thoughtfully to enhance both color and texture without overpowering the green broth. A soft-boiled egg provides creaminess, while scallions and sliced nori add fresh notes and contrast. Toasted sesame seeds or a sprinkle of shichimi add crunch and depth. For an aromatic finish, drizzle 1 teaspoon of basil or parsley oil over the bowl to intensify the herbaceous profile and give each spoonful a fragrant lift.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.